Hi. Thank you. Wow, very nice. So they're all preparing for me.
Whole food, plant-based rather than vegetarian.
Kalau makmasa ayal kalwaya o mahal ukaw, edi usaw tara at vegetarian di mga dalong.
That's because not all vegetarian diets are healthy.
Hindi ako hula bukti mga yasa waawi.
What is a whole food?
Marami ko tiyagitan.
A whole plant-based food is something that you can pick from the ground, or you can pick from a tree or vine.
Again, tora para to se food again do dori, again do koror o mata. Again antulo sen food again tira koba.
I'm not advocating a raw food diet. I'm advocating a whole food diet.
Hindi ako masada amat alkan. Masada kaya gidan dorit, malubi ka do amat ang kaot meliyo.
And while we cannot entirely avoid processed food, we can focus on eating more whole plant foods.
Magtanda sa ito bukti di ibero sa daw ala rasto. Hindi sabi magtagibel gigiringi sa gidan mo lang irasto.
If we do this, it's healthier and we'll have less diabetes, less strokes, less heart attacks, less obesity, and less cancer.
Ya betul segini mulia sukan makasinoma high blood makin lebih bagus.
So we're supposed to be leaving a while ago, but our car is stuck in the parking, so we can't get out. So we're just gonna show over here. Let's check. Ooh, it smells so good. That's why. Hi. Yeah. That's squash leaf. Yep. Wow. Angar steak, which is also from Angar. Hi. This shrimp, crab, fish, fish.
It's Taro flour. I'm making them into waffles.
Oh, they're making waffles made of Taro.
Yeah.
So this is the corner right here, and here's the abay. This is where I had a vlog 2 weeks ago. It's beautiful, isn't it? So we're gonna go back and see what's going on here. So it's a whole day activity here in Amayong. From 7 o'clock we were here, and now it's 1 p.m. and Joseph finished dancing already, so we're just gonna be sticking around.
And
so that's the Taro waffle that they have.
if you guys are interested in the Taro flour, you guys
Can I try as well?
Sure.
So Let's try the taro waffle.
Okay.
It smells so good in this corner here.
Awesome sauce. We call it awesome sauce.
Okay, thank you. I'm just gonna so I'm gonna try some. It's nice to hang around over here. Would you like? Oh, free taste. Taro waffle. We have a taro waffle. So
Kaya pala ito na
lunch.
masarap.
Good.
Tastes good.
Tastes good. Joseph, so they're serving 99. Serving lunch for the visitors. Joseph? It's already done, but Joseph don't like to go anywhere. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy our video for today, and see you on our next vlog. Bye.